Good day, followers. May napapansin ba kayo sa Facebook ngayon? It's changing, sabi nga. It's changing. Dati, ang pinaka-goal ni Facebook is about connecting to people, connecting your family and friends. Pero today, napapansin natin, it's more on about consumption. Sabi, it's not anymore connecting to people. It's about consumption. Napapansin niyo pag nanonood kayo ng mga video sa Facebook, kung ano yung nilalike nyo, sinishare nyo, at sinisearch nyo sa browser ni Facebook, yun ang lumalabas. Even dun sa mga advertisement ng mga reels na pinapanood nyo, at mapalong video man or short video, yung ads, yung interest mo na, napansin nyo yun, usually yun ang sinasuggest ni Facebook. It's more on an AI entertainment feed. Yan. So, don't worry. Kung nag-post ka about something, hindi na mapapanood ng mga friends mo yun. Usually, some of your friends naman talaga, it's not your follower. Kahit nung nag-start ka sa Facebook, your friends, your true friends, is not actually your followers. So, ang basihan dito ni Meta ngayon, the more you scroll, the more you see ads, yun ang full priority niya. It's about consumption nga. So, pero minsan napapansin natin, ang tagal na natin nanonood ng mga reels and video, wag tayong magpapakontrol dun sa social media. Minsan 3 hours na nanonood tayo ng reels, but we always try to make it a point na wag tayo magpakontrol. Try to make your own video, and it's more really on the content, more on the viral videos, the memes, and yun talagang nag-viral. Yun ang sinasuggest ni Meta sa feeds mo. So yan hope you learned something, and sana na-notice nyo rin na Facebook is really changing. It's becoming an AI-powered entertainment feed. Mapapansin nyo rin naman yan eh. So yun din na napansin ko. So I would like to suggest na continue natin yung pagiging content creator at follow tayo sa mga rules and regulations ni Meta. So, take note nga pala, on August 31, mawawala na talaga yung tatlo na tools and magiging content monetization program na. Yung tatlong tools na performance bonus, long video, and short video yan. So, kung nag-earn man kayo bago August 31, makukuha nyo rin yung earnings nyo from the next payout. So, yung mga susunod, hindi na siya kikita. More on the content monetization program, papasok lahat. Yan, papakita ko sa iyo, may individual siya, lalabas yung earnings yan, individual na, sa photos, sa videos, and kung ano man yung post mo yan, naka-identify na dyan. Hope you learned something, and continue lang to be a content creator kasi nandun daw sa dulo yung success. Have a nice day, guys.